Yeah, now speaking of bearings, we got to separate these two guys with something like this, right? Now we went with King Racing Performance bearings. Now we're starting with their PMAX Black Series, which is a tri-metal bearing, right? Something we're all familiar with. You got steel backing, you got copper lead in there, you've got a tin lead surface, but now we've got the PMAX coat, which is a polymer, right? It's sort of a nano compound in here, which gives seizure resistance, which is huge when you're doing a lot of bending on a crank. So it's going to add a lot of longevity to this engine and provide that extra margin of safety. So we'll show you how these guys go in. Right, we've got our studs in. We're only going to mock up today, so just enough to get the crank in, rods, pistons in. We'll put a little bit of oil in here just to rotate the crank around. We don't need assembly lube. We'll get this thing set in. We can lock our caps down and we can start moving on pistons and rods. All right, now we'll show you proper, how to put assembly lube on and twerking and all that thing when we go to the final build. But for now, we're gonna take a break. You guys check out more of this build as we go through the season.
This thing's gonna be awesome.
This engine build is brought to you by ARP, Automotive Racing Products.